Go. Hello! Okay, so we wrote a really retarded song, and it's just an original. We wrote it on a boat. Okay, ready?
Which one are we doing?
It's called Superbird, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I
Feel like I'm running through the wind at 1,000,000 miles an hour. I feel like I'm flying through the air like a superbird. I feel like I'm an Indian with a Hindu, and it feels like I'm a snail 'cause you crushed my heart. Last summer on the beach, you took me in the sea, and the shark came along and ate me 'cause I had a cut toe and you never let go to me. You didn't know me with the bicycle, you didn't know me with with the car, and on the airplane 'cause you're with the train, and at the supermarket, you pushed me into the chippy shelf, and I put the chips in the trolley, and you said, run, 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 tiger. And I said, no, 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 I need to stay right here with you. And then you ran off my finger while I'm on the ground. Why is the snail holding an umbrella? Why is the turkey chasing me with a wheelbarrow? Why do we chickens have beaks and poop out rainbows? Why do we hate snails? Why do we chuck them on the roof and yell? Stop eating my cabbage, you dirty, dirty snail. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Bye!